Today I'm going to go over how to replace the engine air filter in this 2023 Ford Edge. This is the same from 2019 all the way to 2024. So this guy, thankfully, they've made it super easy. We got a clip here, we got a clip here. You do not need to remove this bolt. It's actually not part of this top piece. Now I'm going to set the camera down so we get another angle, but we do have to finagle these little clips out of here. So let's jump into that. So after I've unclipped these here, you kind of lift up, and then we're gonna just barely get your fingers under there. Don't yank up, because we got to get these hooks out. So it's a little bit of a lift and a pull up. This will give you just enough room to slip your hand in here and grab this air filter out. Just like so. So we got that out. I'll have a link in the description for this air filter. It's also not a bad idea if you can get a vacuum in there, clean out some of the dust down and around in there. But I'm gonna slip this guy back in. This guy just slips in from here. And the foam side goes up. So you see this kind of like peach colored foam that goes up on the filter. Then we gotta fit these guys in here. And there's 3 of them, and you're kind of fighting to get this into place. So yeah, I had to kind of push down here and push in with this hand. And then we snap our 2 snaps. Boom. And that's how you do the engine air filter on a Ford Edge. This is a 2023, but it works from 2019 all the way to 2024. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.